No pants and a shirt.
Daddy, I can't find
Easton, Rayleigh,
No
what is up?
pants and a shirt.
Nice.
What you doing to your crap? Start.
Okay, we have got both of the kids new 22 Crickets.
This is not new.
All right,
I'm so excited to see that.
I know.
She is so excited. She's not scared.
No, not at all. We're getting them sighted in. We do have a cheaper Amazon scope, which we'll do a review on those also.
Real quick?
But these are going to be the first few shots, just kind of getting everything sighted in and getting them ready for small game season coming up.
Yep, and Easton, let's see your gun.
Let me get you close, and then we're going to start.
And he is safe. Open bolt, nothing in the chamber.
No.
And he has got a American flag rifle, and she has a black rifle.
Yeah, I like
Black
mine
rifle
better than
coffee.
hers.
Exactly.
Comedy.
Comedy.
All right.
Look at this. Siri's talking about coffee.
Yeah, stop talking about
So we'll see how loud these things are.
Hey, Mom. Thank you, phone.
Nice. How does the trigger feel on those rifles? I've never shot one, so I don't know how they feel.
You would be very surprised.
Very, very low.
Oh, is he low on the target? Oh, I see his impact shot. He's not far.
Let me shoot.
No.
No, hold on. Let's get one gun
We're
sighted.
getting close. I mean, these are freshly mounted
Can I
scopes
shoot
and
it
everything. And once I get this one going, then we'll shoot that one.
Yeah.
We gotta get them close, and then y'all practice. They are pretty sweet. This is the BOG Death Grip
Oh, yeah.
tripod also. So you got different angles that you can put the legs at. Like, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah,
You
this
can
is
adjust
like
this
the
thing up to where
ultimate.
You're fully standing.
I wish I'd have had this whenever I was doing gun videos, which we might do more of soon. I've been thinking about it.
Yeah,
Do
we
it,
need to do
just
some
do
more
it.
because
You know who to call.
we I
Yeah.
mean, archery stuff's getting so outrageous. You might as well buy gun stuff at this point.
Yeah, that is kind of sad that the archery game now is more. I went to archery because guns were expensive, and now guns the cheaper option. Ooh, I think
Okay, above
Yeah,
it.
the trigger on these things are sweet.
They're
I'm
sweet.
a little bit
It's
high.
above it.
I wonder if they make.
About 2 inches above it.
I wonder if they make like any kind of modification kits for these things.
They do. They
Really?
do.
Is this?
I wonder if you could put a full length stock on it, have a shorter barreled.
Is this?
So a lot of people use these for coon hunting. I used to. Just because it was very light, easy to carry through thickets whenever you was coon hunting. So I don't know if you remember
Daddy.
coon hunting.
Oh, yeah.
Cody Lee up on Black Mountain.
Daddy.
You carry one of them. I remember when you had one.
Yeah,
Daddy.
I had a pink one.
Daddy.
Yes.
When am I gonna shoot my gun? My gun.
Let me get you close, and then it's your turn to let her rip.
It's like.
Oh, nice. You getting it walked
Check
in?
that.
Well, I'm not going to lie. For a Walmart scope, at how many yards? About 25?
That was 25 yards.
25 yard.
It is.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yep, that was
First.
shot, second shot, third shot.
Well, I'd say that definitely works. Nice. He's also burning in some leaves. He's got a fire line cut out.
Yeah, all the way around.
Nice.
Just gotta make sure the 3D targets get lit up.
Yeah, that'd be horrible. Probably ought to go pull them up.
We'll clean them out.
Yeah.
We're getting this one close and getting it to where the kids are gonna shoot.
Yeah,
So
so
I wanted to get it as close as center.
There's probably
for-
squirrels over there.
Just
yeah,
for,
he wants to
So-
kill squirrels, so.
Yes.
just for sighting in, gotta get it as
Yep.
close as possible.
What kind of ammo are you using there?
We're using the CCI.
Where'd Ray go?
No way. No, it's good.
I mean, dead center.
Dead center.
These are the CCI. They're the mini mag 36 rain, I think is what they are.
Nice.
That's the high velocity. I don't have the cap or the lid that gives me all the info, so that's my bad.
Yeah. Well, we got to walk through the ring of fire. This is pretty ghetto, but so both rifles are now dead center. That's pretty awesome. Look at that. All right, so my homie's all safened up, and he's going to take 3 shots on one of the plates through the fire and the smoke, and his sister's going to do the same thing, and we're going to see which one shoots the best. So it's Easton versus his sister with the 22 Crickets. Ain't that what they're called? Yeah, get comfortable, bud.
Yeah, standing like that, you can't be steady.
Ain't no way.
You can kneel down. I can adjust the height.
Yeah. Adjust the stands. All right, bud. That's much comfortable, ain't it?
Right there. Ooh, that was a nice shot.
Heck yeah, man.
That was right on it.
Nice.
A little bit to the left.
Yeah, but I mean, you're
doing good.
in there.
All right, bud. Show them what you got. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh. Ooh. Bro, you're deadly.
Straight to the other one.
All right. He might be better than me.
He probably is.
Might be a Houston versus Ryan.
Can I do it now?
Probably is. Let's see that reload, big dog.
Oh, me.
Why are you wearing pajamas?
What are you doing, bro? Oh, is your casing stuck? Hold on. We get you.
Oh.
All right. Easton's last shot.
And that's a good thing. The fire.
Uh-oh. My man keeps forgetting to cock his rifle.
It is an aggravating system. I mean, it's safe, though.
It is safe. All right, let's just see what you did. It's 3. So I'm not going to lie. Homie is armed and dangerous. Jesus Christ. Look at that. That's way better than any Rigger 1022 I've ever had. Brother, high five.
My turn.
That's Rayla's turn.
Yeah, it's like that.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that's 3 in the same hole.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, he done really good. All right, so
You ain't
Already on the dot.
this is Miss Rayleigh's first time ever shooting a gun, and we're going to teach her the safe way to do things.
Yes.
So, hey, Ray,
Right?
keep that finger away from the trigger until you're ready to shoot, and only when you're ready to shoot. And everyone is not away from you. And treat every gun as if it's loaded, no matter what.
Yes.
Even a Nerf gun.
Even a Nerf gun. You put your eye out with a Nerf gun.
Nerf gun.
You have or haven't?
I have.
Good. Why in the world are you out here in Christmas pajamas?
I don't know.
You are silly.
And she said, I just love it.
Well, you know I love it too. It's the Christmas season. Okay, honey.
Hold on.
Now,
Don't touch the trigger. All right, scoot up.
Get your shoulder on that rifle.
her brother's over here.
All right. Now, look through the X. All right, put the X. Find the black dot on the paper plate.
Right. Aim at the one.
Hold on, get back, big dog.
Look, you don't have to push it.
Ray.
You
Wait.
just lean this.
Hey, Ray.
Now, are you aiming on the black dot?
Yeah.
All right, hold on.
Take a look down range and just make sure that it's close.
It should be very close. Yeah.
All right, Ray,
Do
just
not touch the trigger.
don't touch the trigger till
Get on
you're
the
ready
black
to
dot first.
shoot. Oh, you're okay, honey.
Get on the black dot first.
Yeah. Take a deep breath.
Look, this is a squirrel. You want to squirrel hunt, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Make sure you're on the black dot. Do not touch the trigger.
Until you want it. Can't really see.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Because of the smoke.
Oh, squeeze that trigger till you're on the dot. Then slowly pull it.
She's gonna squeeze it.
No, she's okay.
You on it?
Yeah, the girl. I think I see it.
Shoot it.
I think I see a impact, maybe.
Yep, it's a little low. It's a good shot.
Heck yeah, girl. You done it.
Good job. All right.
Hey, if that was a pig, you'd have killed it.
Oh, yeah.
Like a hawk. You done good. Was that the first time shooting a gun?
Yeah.
That was the first time shooting a gun.
Well,
No way.
I told her.
Rayleigh, give me a high five.
I told her.
In pajamas.
In pajamas. What
I
is wrong
told
with
her
you?
how to shoot a Red Ryder.
You need to work with her more.
You're kind of an anomaly with shooting, though.
Yeah.
It's just.
I just have to shoot 2 more. 2 more. Was
Do you
that
want
fun?
it lower or do you want it raised up? Do you want to stand up?
Yeah, I want to stand.
All right, yeah.
Okay.
Try stand. All right, hold on.
How's that look, honey? Oh, I know. The stupid. Well, honestly, shooting through this smoke will kind of help you, but it's also going to give you some target panic.
Nah.
I'm not sure why your daddy lit the woods on fire, but
I don't know either. That's good.
yeah, I mean, I guess it makes for good content.
Can you see?
Oh,
Can you see the plate?
You like your barrels a little bit high, honey.
Oh, you see the tree?
Yep.
See the tree?
Yeah, try to find it first before you're even ready to shoot. Just try to identify the target.
You're on it.
You're on it? Yeah. Find your target.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah. You're on it. That was good.
Atta girl. Nice.
All right. Now, aim at the black dot.
Easton, get back. Yeah, aim at the very center, the black dot. Are you left-handed or right-handed?
She's using both. It's very confusing.
Well,
I'm on it.
I'll
Hold on,
try
get-
to use. Hold on.
try to
hold
get
on.
that gun against your shoulder.
Yep. Gun against your shoulder. Hold on.
Here, square up, hon.
Like that. Whoa, don't touch that trigger. Don't touch that trigger.
Is she left-handed or right-handed?
She's wanting to use her. Hold on.
There
Now,
you go.
hold on.
Yeah, you're probably
You gotta touch
comfortable.
the trigger. Get on it. Are you on it?
Yep.
Okay, get on it.
Yeah, find it and then put your finger on the trigger once you find the target.
Are you on it? Slowly pull. Once you're on it, don't pull it till you're on it. Good job.
You might have made a good shot, hon. Heck yeah.
My back.
Did you like that, Ray?
Yeah.
I made a deal with them. I found a secret spot
Ooh,
that has white squirrels everywhere.
nice.
All right, hold on. Get on target. Do not shoot till you're on the target. If each of them are able to kill a
Ooh,
good shot,
nice,
an
Ray.
all white gray squirrel, I'll get both of them mounted.
Oh, they look good.
So they get one each. I've got a spot where we've seen close to 20 solid white gray squirrels.
Nice.
Above me.
What?
He messed up my groove.
You damn right. Look at the hair. Oh my God.
Heck yeah, right.
Who won?
Oh, probably Rayleigh's look a little bit tighter. Oh, I think it's a dead match. I think it's a dead match.
Hey, both of you.
I think it's a match. All right, now you have to jiu-jitsu each other for the true winner. All right, so now that the competition is over, I believe it's pretty much a draw. Miss Ray
All the way down.
and Easton here both
Stand up.
killed it. So now we are.
Ooh, look at that.
All right, so give me the breakdown on this tripod. What is this?
This is the BOG Death.
Dad.
It's the what?
That was a nice shot.
It was.
Me,
What?
BOG middle trap.
What? No.
What is it?
The BOG
Dad.
Death Grip. So I think they make these in like solid carbon fiber and some different stuff. This is the aluminum one. That's the
Nice.
heavy one. But you got
Dad. Dad.
Radley.
What?
Dad.
hold on. Chill. Yes, I will push you. 1 second.
Can you put me on this swing?
Yeah, hold on. 1 second.
Devin.
So you got different angles right here. Check this out.
Oh, you can go 20 degree.
20.
What?
Oh, 45 and 80. So that allows all the way up to, if you really want to.
That's for shooting like some super high caliber stuff. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I would like to shoot that.
Prone position.
Yeah, I'd like to use that with like a 300 Win Mag.
I mean, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it is. Nice.
Oh, you want to shoot? I don't know if you wasn't supposed to cock it till you was on it. Or she guns level. All right, go for it.
Bro, that is a nice stand.
Yes. For the money.
Dad.
Attaboy.
Right in the middle.
But the center is completely gone.
Oh, I know. He's killed it. He's killed it. He has killed it.
Daddy. Devin,
Yes.
let's go over there right now. There's probably, I don't know, a squirrel where the root line is. Because they like burrow into them.
You know, but that would be a good video for another day. But I don't know how YouTube would feel about, oh my God. I don't know how YouTube would feel about that. But guys, we will see y'all on the next video. We're probably going to do a couple more gun stuff coming soon. That's how this channel got started. And we're going to go back to our roots for a little bit. And then we're going to go back to the archery. So, boom. We'll see y'all on the next one. And good thing is now the kids are old enough to be able to enjoy the things that started this channel. Oh, my Lord. Y'all guys have a good one.
I want to shoot this thing now.
Yeah, I know.
I'm kind of curious.
We might have to do another video.
We'll
We'll have to do another video one day of like me versus you at 100 yard with these things.
with a cricket.
No.
Yeah.
With a cricket.
Yeah, how about we make a video?
We'll have to get Max and do like a 400 yard one.
No.
You guys have a good one. We'll see you.